welcome guys. So let's solve in this old school problem, binary search. Yeah, so this problem I think is very standard. Yeah, so basically given a target and the array, and then you find the answer. You find the target, the index of that target. If you cannot find, return -1. Okay, so this guy target is 9, so it's here. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index is 4. 2 -1. Okay, so the idea is that you start from the beginning and right, and if okay, so there is a trick that you might write L less than R, and you calculate the middle, and if the same as target, you very lucky. If you cannot find it, if your numbers is less than target, then that means your answer should be at the right side, right? So your L to be n+1. Else your R should be -1. Okay, but if you use this, then you will get a wrong answer, right? The reason is that if there is a case that if L is 0, and in this case your length is 0, so your R is 0. So basically, if you only have one element, then you will just immediately return -1. So actually, this is important that in the usual binary search case, you must add at least equal sign. Okay. Yeah. So very standard one. Yeah, so standard binary search, then you will be okay. Okay, so see you guys next videos.